Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to my channel. We're going to get right to it here. We're going to show you where your fuel pump relay is. I'm going to give you a couple little tips too as to if you think there is a real problem with it, some things you can do. So under the hood, on the passenger side, you'll see this top box here. It actually has it all laid out for you, a bunch of different relays. Just want to gently pry the left side here and just unlock the little tab. Little screwdriver will work, and it's not really hinged, it just, this piece kind of fits in there. So we'll show you. So this top relay here is what you're looking for. It's the fuel pump relay. Now if it's not working, I'll show you a little trick because the one just below it is the same kind of relay. I think it runs daytime running lights. So you could actually switch them if you wanted. And if all of a sudden now your pump is working, you know you've got a bad relay. They take a little bit of wiggling. You kind of wiggle them in a circle. Seems to work. Not too bad. These only go in one way. You'll see there's 3 prongs on the bottom. I'll show you here. If you take a look right here, there's this middle hole. They don't have it on the top, so it can only go in one way. And that's the way it goes. Before I forget, I might as well show you here. You can swap these one for the other. So let's say the fuel pump wasn't working and you think it's the relay. You could take this bottom relay out. Think it's a daytime running light relay. And they're both the same. So you could do the old shell trick or whatever they do there. Mix them one for the other. Well, make sure you know which is which, but they're identical. So you could put the top in the bottom and the bottom in the top. And then now if your fuel pump is working, you know it's the relay. The other one's for daytime running lights, I think. Easy enough. Once you've figured all that out and you've been in here, you can put your cover back on. A little tab goes in there. It's like a hinge almost. And then just get this little tab to snap in there. If you'd like more videos on this car, I've got a playlist I'll put in the top right-hand corner, the very top. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Fuel pump relay is on your Impala. This is 2000. Let's take a look. I'll give you